Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acidulous. 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 Acidulous is an adjective that describes something as having a slightly sour or sharp taste, like that of an acidic fruit, or a tone that is critical, sharp, or sarcastic in nature. It can be used to convey a mild degree of acidity or criticism. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she bit into the lemon, savoring its acidulous taste and puckering slightly. Why acidulous is used in example number 1. Acidulous is used to define the sourness of the lemon. Example number 2, the author's acidulous commentary on society was evident in the biting satire of the novel. Why acidulous is used in example number 2. Acidulous describes the sharp and critical tone of the author's writing. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.